Hi everybody, Keystone Studio here, and this is K-Engine, and second tutorial basically about images and button together. Yeah, let me use this image. Let me just set this image as a background for our page 1 example page. Okay, just let me rename page level 1 for instance. Okay, and the image as level 1 BG background. Okay, boom. Just let me find something nice basically. And the main group assets. By default we have some assets here, background and bathroom restaurant B. Yeah, that was fine, that's really nice. Okay, well, as you can see now, this image is very large, it's larger than the project as is set. This project here, this is basically, the normal window. In the final game, okay, if I'm going to compile the game right now, that represent the entire full screen basically. And yeah, this is what I want to do. Basically, as you can see now, this image is larger than the project, and what I want to do is to resize it and fit the entire screen. In that case, so that an orange window, so the page window, and then what I'm going to do is full screen, and boom, voila. As you can see now, the image is fitting the page basically, so my project right now, that in the final game it means a full screen, so the entire window or full screen if you want to run the game as full screen, as I suppose basically you want to do. And okay, so we have a background, we have a page. If you remember in a previous video, we set a nice transition for the background here, for for the default image, and then I should have the same effects in these background here, and then sculpting mode, so the game is still running, and just pressing the image effect, this button, basically a button, OK image effects, and see what happens, and boom, 3 seconds if you remember the previous video, and then just let me set it here. 3 seconds the transition duration is decided to set transition of the level background on mouse click on this button, and easy in and out, transition type sign, and until the end. Just let me do an experiment. 0.5. Okay, so half transition, and boom, as you can see, transition is stopped here. I don't want to do that. Of course, that was just an example, but it could be nice for other effects, for instance. Instead, if I'm gonna set, okay, just let me put transition here 0.5, okay, or maybe 0.3. Okay, this is the image. Okay, I'm gonna set the image right now, and just pressing on the button OK with the caption image effects. Okay, just pressing on this button, I'm going to start a transition property. In this case, I'm gonna start, a property to set the property of the image level 1 BG from in this case transition from 0.3 to, as you can see here, 1.0. So from here to the end, and it is. Boom. Okay. Well, very nice. But in this case, I'm gonna set 0 as a transition. So I'm gonna set normal transition for the background from 0 to to 1. I'm gonna do the opposite right now. Okay, appearances, and then it could be 0.0 and 1. So just press it. The transition comes out. I can also do the same thing, just keep the previous settings, and just pressing invert mesh. But I mean, both cases works fine. I think it's enough for this tutorial about K-Engine image as a background basically. So yeah, in the next video we will move on to other functionalities, features, adding yeah, just movement, and then more than a one single action event and the property that I can set, and that could be a really interesting and a powerful feature of CaiEngine until now. Okay, thank you so much for now, and then see you in the next video. Bye, 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 bye.